watching ReShoe, where I set out to restore, repurpose and rejuvenate all types of dress shoes. Stick around if you're interested. Hello everyone and welcome back to ReShoe. Today I'm going to be talking about how to care for pebble grain shoes. I'm going to be demonstrating the rather simple care procedure for pebble grain shoes on this pair of blue pebble grain brogues that actually belong to my mother. In my opinion, the first product that you should invest in when you want to take care of your pebble grain shoes is a good stiff pig bristle brush that will help you clean the shoes easily. Because it being stiffer than a regular horsehair brush, it will get into the grain a lot better and wipe off the surface of any excess dust, debris and so on. After that, the care process is pretty much identical to a regular calfskin leather care process, except for this pair I'm not gonna be using colored cream because I do not really see the need. Overall, as you can probably tell, this video isn't about a major transformation or rejuvenation of these shoes because they're in quite good shape to start with. However, this video is more so to emphasize how easy it is to care for leather shoes, to maintain them. Now that I have removed the shoe trees after having inserted them and having kept them in there for a while, you can still see that the shoes are slightly creased, but that's normal. It's quite a soft and thin leather material, which is why I would advise to keep them with the shoe trees in for as long of a period as you can. I hope you enjoyed the pebble grain care process. Let me know in the comments if you have any pebble grain shoes yourself. And until next time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, click on the notification bell and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time, ladies and gentlemen. Stay shiny.